Hello beautiful soul, let's channel some messages. I just got done burning some bay leaves and the smoke of the bay leaf is so good and relaxing for the body, and this sensation, the smoke created certain kind of sensation inside my skin, super relaxing, and especially going to sleep, before going to sleep, burning the bay leaves is so good. And anyway, the message, before I give you the message, I want you to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and go to the link in my bio, donate for my rent, food bills, send me tips, and get into my 3 months of mentorship, wherein you will get like deeper support from me for 3 months. You will have a safe space to navigate your fears, your limiting beliefs, the root causes of your anxieties and stresses, and also the ancestral wounds that are rooted in lack, and certain patterns that are keeping you really small. Working with me, you will be able to get into your power, into your confidence, into your creative gifts and abilities, and you'll have such a big support for me for 3 months. So yeah, link of that is in my bio. I also have my one-on-one psychic guidance session for psychic guidance and channel messages for you, and I have my journaling course. In this course, I have shared the wisdom that I have shared will help you expand into your next magical era, because journaling in itself is a very powerful tool, but the wisdom that I've shared is pure golden, and it was a very channeled wisdom that the people who are going to be getting this course, they need it. If you're feeling the nudge, definitely there is certain things you need to learn from this course. And I have my ebook called Energetic Activation for Brand New Life. In this ebook, I have put in affirmation, powerful verses, intentions, and prayers that will bring brand new energy and new foundations into your life. The foundation of love, the foundation of calmness, the peace. And sometimes, right now the foundation of your life might be rooted in limiting beliefs, into unhealthy comparison, unhealthy jealousy, into your sexual energy might be rooted in distraction. Okay, but the prayers, the intentions, and the powerful verses and affirmations that I have put into this book, it will re-alchemize your energy, spiritual energy, financial energy, sexual energy, and your confidence and other areas of your life into such you'll feel really good, brand new brand new, so good. So link of that is in my bio. Now let's just channel some messages. Something that I'm hearing is that if you have a time in your life to constantly judge other people, you have time to pray. You have time to say. If you are constantly judging, if you're catching yourself thinking hateful thoughts for other people, thinking judgmental thoughts for other people, that means that you have time to constantly say a prayer that God, I want to see this person in front of me as you see them. Dear God, I intend to exist with this child of yours as you want me to exist with them. If you are constantly judging, constantly hating, you have to be constantly praying instead. You have to substitute that habit of consistent hate, consistent judgment, towards consistent prayer in your mind, in your head. Sometimes, it's like we are constantly thinking so many hateful thoughts that creates hateful patterns. So saying this prayer consistently, dear God, I intend to exist with this child of yours as you want me to exist with them. I intend to have harmonious energy, exist with them in a harmonious energy. And when you have this intention of existing in calmness, in harmony with other person, you can trust the kind of relationship you have. Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and I have with them would be orchestrated without you having any agenda like, oh, I want to have certain kind of relationship only. No, just say that I intend to exist in a harmonious energy with them, so that harmonious relationship. And I'm not saying, there are so like, can we manifest specific persons, specific friends? Yes, you can do that if you are feeling guided. You know what I would say, instead of manifesting specific persons, specific people, or specific homes, hold a strong, like unshakable intention inside of your heart for harmony and calmness. When you hold that intention inside of you, you would naturally manifest what is in the highest good. And when you hold the intention for harmony and calmness, if it is in the highest good of you to manifest those certain specific persons, specific thing, you would be naturally guided to. It's like naturally the prayers are being put inside of your heart to, manifest them naturally. It will happen naturally. But first you need to detach. And how do you detach? It's by saying that, God, I only want what you want for me. I only want what is in the highest good. I only want to exist with other children of yours as you want me to exist with them. You guys, we can have lot of fears around social situations, like what if there is inferiority and superiority, what if there is jealousy, what if like all of this and drama. But we have to understand, like if we deal with it inside of us, outside get handled. If we deal with our own jealousies, our own patterns of making other people feel bad about themselves, making other people feel intentionally jealous, and making, when we are subconsciously, somewhere in our minds, these patterns still exist inside of us, then it will be troublesome. But as we overcome them within us, outside get handled. The more and more integrous you become inside of you, the outside, it will have to reflect. The people, the circumstances will reflect that honesty and integrity and that harmony and calmness that you are holding inside of you. And these prayers are very powerful. And get my book, ebook. It will give you more and more in-depth, just the energy of this. Sometimes when we bring, like lot of the times I have gotten workshops and courses that I never went, just when I bought them, suddenly there was this energy that came into my life without even opening them or going through them. Just by buying them, I had this energy. So this ebook will have that impact on you. The moment you get it, you will feel it. So but say this prayer that, Mother Earth, I only intend to, if you think of one hateful thought for another person, immediately say that, God, I intend to only look at this person as you look at them. God, I intend to only treat this person as you would treat them. I intend to only exist with them, with this person as you would exist with them. It's just lot of love, and like, God, I intend to only exist in deep unshakable calm. I intend to exist in deep unshakable harmony. So whatever is against calmness would be, would be cleansed from your energetic field. And the what causes chaos? It's low self-worth. When we are holding beliefs like, oh, I am not good enough, I am not lovable enough, I will not be loved, I will not get it, and all of these things, they cause chaos within us and in our environment, because we are holding something which is not true. Low self-worth is a form of chaos. It causes chaos. So existing in high self-worth is you existing in harmony, in calmness, and that is what is created in this world. So you working on your confidence, existing in high self-worth and high self-esteem, it's you holding the energy of calm in this world. So have this, pray for high self-confidence, high self-esteem, exist in that. We have been taught to, be falsely humble, be small. No, exist in high self-esteem, pray for that. And because that's a very calming state. When we are, Rani, stop it. Rani! Arey yaar. My dog is barking. Look at her. Anyway, what I'm saying, Rani, what I'm saying is, it's super calm when you know that you deserve good things. When you know you are worthy of love, you are worthy of, being highly successful, you are worthy of having what you create be received so well by people. You are worthy of all these beautiful things. And when you exist in this knowing, it is super peaceful. Like, what kind of calm if you are walking in this world feeling like, oh my God, I'm not good enough, I'm not worthy enough, I don't have anything to offer to this world. Do you think it's a calming state? No, it's very disruptive and chaotic. So knowing, walking in this world, feeling really good about yourself, really you advocating for your gifts, for the person who you are, that's super calming. It's not that you are being a bad person. No, in fact, you're being such a good person. Wow, this is such a beautiful message. Thank you, Spirit. Thank you. Get into my 3 months of mentorship work with me for more calm, more peace, more confidence, more this super powerful energy. Link of that is in my bio. My one-on-one intuitive guidance session are also there. Suddenly I started to speak really fast. Why? This is so cleansing, This message was so good. And bay leaves, the moment I burn bay leaves, it's something about it. Bay leaves, bring such good energy. And yeah. So everything is in my bio. If this message helped you, send me tips, send me donations for my rent, food and bills. It will help me a lot. And my journaling course is there, my ebook is there, and my love is definitely there. You also send me more and more love. Let's create more love, okay? Let's just create this beautiful energy, exist in this beautiful, loving, beautiful energy.